Hey everyone, welcome back to Chatify English channel. I'm Emily, and today we're diving into one of my favorite topics in the world, food.
And I'm Paul. You know, Emily, every time we talk about food, I instantly feel comfort. Like I'm home again, sitting at the kitchen table, waiting for something delicious.
Exactly. Food isn't just about taste, it's about memories, family, and moments that stay with us forever. So today we'll talk about food memories, how to describe food in English, and how to share your favorite dishes naturally.
Right. You'll learn everyday phrases, adjectives, and expressions you can use when talking about food, at home, at restaurants, or even when traveling. So grab a cup of coffee, maybe a small snack, and let's talk about something delicious.
Let's start with a question, Paul. What's a food that reminds you of home?
I'd say chicken soup. My mom used to make it every Sunday evening. The smell filled the whole house. Warm, cozy, and safe. Even now, when I smell soup, I feel calm again.
That's beautiful. For me, it's apple pie. My grandmother used to bake it every autumn. She never followed a recipe, just her heart and a few apples from the garden. Hey everyone, welcome back to Chatify English channel. I'm Emily, and today we're diving into one of my favorite topics in the world, food.
And I'm Paul. You know, Emily, every time we talk about food, I instantly feel comfort. Like I'm home again, sitting at the kitchen table, waiting for something delicious.
Exactly. Food isn't just about taste, it's about memories, family, and moments that stay with us forever. All right, let's go to a restaurant. Imagine this, everyone. You sit down and the waiter comes and says, "Are you ready to order?"
And many English learners freeze right there. But here's what you can say. Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken, please. Or, can I have the salad with no onions, please?
You can also say, "I'll take the pasta, please. Could I get a cup of tea?"
And don't forget the magic word, please. It makes everything sound kind. Now, let's talk about cooking. Emily, do you cook often?
I do. Cooking helps me relax. When I cook, I forget about my phone, my emails. I just focus on the smell, the sound, and the rhythm.
That's beautiful. I think cooking is like meditation. You follow the steps, but you also add a part of yourself.
Exactly. And here are some simple cooking verbs everyone should know. Boil, to cook in water. Fry, to cook in oil. Bake.
You know, Emily, one of my favorite things about traveling is trying local food. You learn so much about people through what they eat.
Absolutely. In Japan, for example, people say itadakimasu before eating. It means, I receive this food with gratitude. In Italy, meals are long, full of laughter and conversation. And in Morocco, food is shared. Big plates, everyone eats together. It's beautiful.
That's the heart of it, right? Food connects people. Even if you don't speak the same language, sharing a meal creates friendship.
Before we wrap up, I want to talk about something special, gratitude. Sometimes we eat in a hurry, without thinking. But food is more than fuel, it's a gift.
Exactly. Someone grew it, someone cooked it, someone shared it.